One last item to look at with linear modeling is correlation. We're going to keep the idea of correlation pretty simple. We're going to talk about what it is and how it's calculated. So what is goodness of fit, or what is correlation? It is how closely the data actually fits the line of best fit. Some lines of best fit seem to go through almost every single point on the scatter plot, and some don't look quite as good. So it's measured by finding what's called a correlation coefficient. And that value is always between -1 and 1. That value is found on your graphing calculator, and we've seen it already when we found the linear regression line. We were given A, B, R, and R squared. R is going to be the correlation coefficient. The closer the absolute value of R is to 1, the better of a fit this data is to that line. So what do you think a value of 0 would indicate? If you guess that it would mean that there's hardly any correlation, then you're right. So we want that value to be close to either -1 or close to +1. And that's all you need to understand about correlation coefficient and goodness of fit. You already know the keystrokes for finding it on your graphing calculator, and as long as you understand that it's an indicator of how good that line of best fit is to the data, then you're good to go.